Sketch the following lines on the same set of axes using the table method and x values ranging from -1, 0 up until 1. The lines that we need to sketch are on the right hand side of our page, labeled 1 till 9. To do this exercise, I'm going to label each of the lines as per their number and equation, and then I'm going to construct a table of x and y values from the domain -1, 0 till 1, where x is our input values and y is our output values. Which are obtained when you plug in the x value into the line, and then whatever y spits out, that is the output you'll put in the table. Now this table basically gives us sets of coordinates, -1, -1, 0, 0, and 1, 1. Those are three coordinates which we are going to plot on the Cartesian plane. Looking at the second one, y is equal to 2x, again we're going to construct a table, but note that 2 is in front of the x values, so you are basically going to multiply the inputs by 2 to get the output. At this point, you can pause the video and have a go for equations 3 until 9 to see if we get the same values in our tables. Now that all 9 tables have been constructed, we can put the coordinates and the information onto the Cartesian plane on one set of axes, meaning that all of these lines are going to be on one Cartesian plane. So we're going to construct our x and y axes, and it's important here that you have regular intervals, so the spaces between them are equal. Now I'm going to select a color for each particular function so that when I plot it, you can see how each function correlates to the lines drawn. This first function here in pink, I'm going to draw the line in pink. I'm going to take the coordinates that I got from the table and I'm going to plot the three of them. So on the Cartesian plane, locate where x is -1 and y is -1, 0, 0, and 1, 1. Now those 3 points, we're going to connect it with a straight line. Always indicate arrowheads to show that the graph will continue and label it with the lines function. Now continue this process, indicating perhaps different colors or types of lines for the different functions so you can see the lines are different and what is belonging with which table. So I'm going to go from 1 to 9 in different colors and I'm going to plot them accordingly. And here we have all 9 functions plotted on the Cartesian plane. Be sure to like and subscribe and we'll see you next time.